8 minutes remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. For 3 again, no good. Again, Justin dribbling the ball. Shot clock down to 15. Oops, Dana. Steal again. Dana. For 2 points again. Score 8-2 in favor of Leo. 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 20. Pass again. Shot clock down to 15. Shot clock down to 10. Okay, steal. Nice steal again. Steal again. Hey, hey! There's a whistle. Foul. Number 13. First personal foul. Okay, number 20 looking for 2 to pass the ball. Shot clock down to 15. Steal again. What a wonderful steal by Justin. Justin trying to shoot. There's a whistle. Pushing foul. First team foul. Number 7. Yes, personal. Score 0-8 in favor of Leo. 0-3. Sorry, 3 lagi. Score 4-8 in favor of Leo. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 20. Shot clock down to... Oh, what a steal! There's a whistle. Holding foul. Number 22. Lingkod lang. Shot clock down to 15. For 3. No good. We go again. Try to steal. 5 minutes and 11 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. Try to steal. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock down. There's a whistle. Number 7. Substitution, Leo. In, out, out, in. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Napesa. 20-second shot clock. No good. Rebound again. Here we go. Nice steal. What a wonderful surprise. JD Jordan, papasok na. Bennett. Yan na. 4 minutes remaining time. 20-second shot clock. Wait. Walang dito. Here we go again. Right. For 2. Yes. For 2 points. Score 9-6 in favor of Leo. For 2, no good. Jumbo. Time out, Leo. Okay, here we go again. For 2, no good. Here we go. Shot clock down to 20 for 2, no good. Ow. Bula sa Agbagon. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. 20-second shot clock. 15-second shot clock. For 3, Brian. No, out of bounds. Substitution, Leo. In, out, out in. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Score 9-6 in favor of Leo. Second shot clock. 15-second shot clock. No good. Baba Jesse, sino pinapasa mo? Here we go again. Papasok si number 7. No good. Here we go. Bola. Oh. 2 minutes remaining time. There's a whistle. Number pushing for Luyo. Number 8. First throw, good. Second throw. No good. Bola sa Leo. Score 9-7 in favor of Leo. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. Yes, for 2 points. Number 7. 11-7 in favor of Leo. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. For 3. No good again. Back to Leo. 59 seconds remaining time for 2 points. 13-7 in favor of Leo. 50 seconds remaining time. Hey, jump ball! Bulas. 40 seconds remaining time. 20-second shot clock. 35 seconds remaining time. 30 seconds remaining time. 20 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds remaining time. Oh, there's a whistle. 15 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds remaining time. 5 seconds remaining time. End of the first quarter. Score. Score. 16-9 in favor of Leo. And we go again for 3. No good. Rebound again. Naglahutay na. 20-second shot clock for 3. No good. Rebound by Justin. Justin looking for Chin to pass the ball. Here we go again. Kyle. Pass to Brian. Murillo. 15-second shot clock. Wow! What a blockage. There's a whistle. 8. Luyo. Number 8 there. No good. Last round. Yes. Score 16-10 in favor of Leo. 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. 15-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Okay, here's Kyle. Big way. Bola sa Leo. Second shot clock. 15-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Oh, offensive. Number 10. Shot clock down to 15. Here we go again. Pass again. Shot clock down to 10. What a steal! What a steal! Nice again, a steal, another steal! What a wonderful game is this tonight! What a tempura! Yes, for 2 points. Score 16-12 in favor of Leo. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Now good rebound again. Trying to steal the ball. There's nothing he can do. Pass again, shot clock down to 20. There's a whistle. Yo. 15-second shot clock. No good. Rebound again. 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Back again, number 10. Titira naman ng 3. Shot clock down to 15. Oy! Offensive. Out, they're out. Out of bounds. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Score 16-12 in favor of Loyo. Shabla down to 15. Shabla down to 10. There's so much. No good. Rebound again. Here we go. Oh! 20-second shot clock. Out of bounds. Swa! Bantay lang dito. 5 minutes and 29 seconds remaining time. Yes. Score 16-15 in favor of Leo. 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. 10-second shot clock. Okay, another steal. Hoy, wala na mukha sa bulang. Naluya na. Naluya na. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time for 2 points. Score 18-15 in favor of Leo. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Shabla down to 15. Here we go for 2. No good again. Another steal na naman. And rebound by number 28. No good. Hey, a whoa! There's a whistle. There's a whistle. Number 7. 57 seconds remaining time. Score 18-15 in favor of Leo. First throw good. There's a whistle. Early approach. No good. Rebound again. Pass to Justin. Justin! Arangkada na! Pass again. Oy! What a blind spot! Wakamada sa blind spot. Justin again. Shot block down to 15. Shot block down to 10. Shot block down to 5. For 3. No good. Yes, for 2 points. Score 19-17 in favor of Leo. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. You go again. Yes, for 2 points. No good. Timeout, Luyo. In favor of Luyo. Shot clock down to 20. Oy, kalma lang, kalma lang. One pass again. Number 10. Wow, good Masud. Wow, good Masud. Shot block down to 20. Wow! What a block. For 2, yes, for 2 points. Score 21-19 in favor of Leo. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. Number 4, pass again, shot block down to 10. No good, nice rebound, back to Justin. Justin na naman, titira na ba, 3. No good. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time. 20 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds shot clock. No good. 1 rebound. Naunhan. 20 seconds shot clock. 1 minute remaining time. 15 seconds shot clock. Hey, there's a whistle. Holding. Foul Loyong, number 29. 45 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 14. 40 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 20. 35 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. Yes, for 2 points. 25 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 20. 20 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. 15 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds remaining time. 5 seconds remaining time. End of the second quarter. Score 23-22 in favor. Bugna. Bula Saluyo. For 3. Yes, for 3 points. For number 22. 22-26 in favor of Luyo. 9 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. For 3 again, Brian. No good. Rebound by number 10. 20 seconds shot clock. For 3 again. No good. Rebound by number 7. Pass again. Trying to steal by Moy. Number 4. Back to again. Oy. Up. Hey. Here we go again. Number 23. Hey. He's trying to steal. 9 minutes remaining time. Woo! There's a whistle! Third person in favor of Luyo. First throw. No good. Second throw. One more. Score 22-27 in favor of Leo. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Shot block down to 15. For 2, rebound. There's a whistle. Bola sa Agbago. Again, steal. Moy. Here we go again. For 3, 2, there's a whistle. Okay, here we go again. First throw. Yes. Substitution, Nagbagon. In, out, in. 7 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. 22-30 in favor of Leon. Shot clock down to 20. For 3, yes, for 3 points by number 23. Score 25-30 in favor of Leo. Shot clock down to 15. Shot block down to 10. Nice steal. Here we go again for 2. Another assist. What a wonderful assist. Score 27-30 in favor of the holding. Bago. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Ayun. Alright. Shot block down to 15. Wow! Here we go! Right! Here we go again! For 2! Yes! For 2 points! 29-30 in favor of Leon. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. There's a whistle! Substitution, Leon. Bago. Okay, number 10. Shot block down to 10. Rebound. Hey, there's a whistle again. Pushing. Foul number 7. Penalty. Warning for foul out. Number 7. Bago. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Here we go. Yes, rebound. 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Number 23, trying to show the ball. Who's the leader now? 30-31 in favor of Bagbagon. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Shot block down to 15. Shot block down to 10. There's a whistle! There's a whistle! Number 7, holding. Time score 30-31 in favor of Bagbagon. Nugget. Last row? Yes. 31 all. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Shot block down to 15. Nugget. Shot block down to 20. Nice steal by Brian! Papasok na si Brian! There's a whistle! Nugget. Warning na. Warning. Yes. Score 32-31 in favor of Bagbagon. 3 minutes remaining time. Shot block down to 15. Shot block down to 10. Yes, for 3 points. Score 32-34 in favor of Leon. Here we go again. Whoa! 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Score 32-34 in favor of Leon. Shot block down to 20. Shot block down to 15. Shot block down to 10. Nugget, rebound by Jesse. Tara na, papasok na si Jordan. Jordan, shot block down to 20. There's a whistle! Pushing. Number 22, pushing foul by number 22. Second personal. Okay. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. Jordan, papasok, shot clock. Down to 15. There's a whistle! There's a whistle.
13 pa.
13 foul, Leo. Number 8. Shot clock, down to 10. Pass again, number 23, Jordan. Yes! For 3 points. 35-34 in favor of Bagon. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time. Shot clock, down to 15. For 3 again. Yes! Another 3. 35-37 in favor of Leo. Justin titira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Rebound by number 10. 1 minute remaining. There's a whistle. Ow. 55 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. Yes, for 3 points. Score 38-37. 45 seconds remaining time. 40 seconds remaining time. 35 seconds remaining time. 15 second shot clock. 10 second shot clocks. What a nice. There again. 25 seconds remaining time. 20 seconds remaining time. Jordan, 13. 15 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds remaining time. There's a whistle. 6 seconds remaining time. Penalty. Second personal foul penalty at Bagon. 6 remaining time. Score 40-38. Score 40-39. End of the third quarter.
Score 39-40. Labaw ang Bagon.
Score 40-39. Okay. Shot clock down to 20. Yes! Si Jordan tumira ng 3. Score 43-39 in favor of Bagon. Shot clock down to 15. Shot clock down to 10. Yes, for 2 points. Score 43-41 in favor of Bagon. Shot clock down to 15. Noted. Rebound again. Hapit. Oh. Shot clock down to 20. Wallace. Out of bounds. Bula sa Leon. 9 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Score 43-41 in favor of Leo. Bagon niya, sorry. For 3, no good. Rebound by Moy. Try to steal the ball. Here we go na. Good. Sabi ng referee. There's a whistle. There's a whistle. Mula sa Bagon, Jesse tumira ng 3. Wow! 9 minutes remaining time. Tira na. Papasok. Wow! Out of bounds. 8 minutes and 58 seconds remaining time. Score 43-41. Juman! Dali na, Besh. Dali. Here we go. Wow, what a steal! Blocked by Jordan! Yes, for 3 points. Score 43-all. 43-all. Shot clock down to 15. No good. Rebound by Maynard. Pass si Monite. Steal. Wabada. Oh. Pushing foul. Kalma lang. Kalma lang. Kinaparabay parcel ma. Kalma lang talaga, Pita. First personal foul. Third personal foul, first team foul. Number 7! Wow! Wow! Foul out, number 7. Foul out. 8 minutes and 29 seconds remaining time. Score 43 all. First throw? Yes. 44-43 in favor of Leo. Last throw. Yes, perfect shot. 45-43. Shot block down to 20. Shot block down to 15. What a steal! What a steal by Boy Boy! Here it Whoa! What a fake! What a fake! Score 47-43. There's a whistle! Pushing foul, number 7. Third personal 7. 8 minutes remaining time. Pass again. Shot block down to 20. Shot block down to 15. For 2, yes. 49-43 in favor of Leo. Brian, a steal. Wow! What a wonderful steal is that. 20-second shot block. Down to 15. What a steal. Here we go. Number 23 from wow! There's a whistle. There's a whistle.
Warning for both the third.
7, Leo.
Wala mo puti na yawan. Sab ka?
Yes.
Sab ka? Uy!
Last throw.
7.
7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time. Yes. Substitution, Leo. In, out, out, in. Score 49-4 in favor of Leo. 7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time. Shot block down to 20. Shot block down to 15. Shot block down to 10. Yes, for 2 points. Score 51-44 in favor of Leo. What a steal. 7 minutes remaining time. Shot block down to 15. Yes! Tumilang ang tres! Score 47-51 in favor of Leo. Shot block down to 15. Shot block down to 10. Broken, rebound again. Ace, back to midnight for 2. Yes, for 2 points. Score 53-47. 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Shot block down to 15. Shot block, there's a whistle. Pushing foul. Yo. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 23. Ayay. Ayay. There's a whistle.
Second, third.
Second verse. Bago. 6 minutes remaining time. Yes, for 2 points. Score 55-47. Brian again ng exhibition. Here we go. Pass again. Justin. Shot block down to 15. There's a whistle. There's a whistle. Number 4. Seconds remaining time. Score 47-55 in favor of Leo. First throw. Yes. 48-55. Hello. Last throw. Tambay dira. Okay, Maynard. Dribbling the ball. Shot block down to 20. Uy! Here we go again, number 23, Jordan. Pass to Brian for goal. There's a whistle! There's a whistle! Second personal foul, penalty. 48-55 ang atong score in favor of Leo. No good. Last one. Yes. Substitution, Leo. In, out, out, in. Remaining time. Shot block down to 20. Shot block down to 15. Out of bounds. Bola sa Leo. Okay, shot block down to 13. For 2, yes, for 2 points. Score 57-49. 5 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time. Brian again. Brian, oh, what a fake for 3. No good. 5 minutes remaining time. 49-57 ang score in favor of Leo. Shot block down to 20. Shot block down to 15. Yes! What a 3-point. Timeout! Agbagon! Or 49-60. Here we go. Kalma lang. Pass again. Back to Kevin. Kevin for 3. No good. Rebound by Jordan. Jordan. Pass again to Brian. Titira ng 3. Wagi hapon. Merry Christmas na lang. 4 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. 49-60 in favor of Leo. Pass again to number 0. Here we go again to Brian. Back to Jordan. Jordan. Help to the team by Kevin. Back to Morillo. Morillo back to Kevin. Shot block down to 15. Ay, nice pass to Minard. Relax. Here we go again. Shot block down to 20. 4 minutes remaining time. Shot block down to 15. Shot block down to 10. 7. Wow, what a steal. Dahil kay Kevin, nagmamadali si Kevin. Turutot. Ay, oh, okay mo na, oh. Ah, balasa. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Score 49-60 for 2 by Maynard. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Score 49-62 in favor of Leo. For 2, yes, for 2 points. Score 51-62 in favor of Leo. Shot block down to 15. Shot block down to 10. Shot block down to 5. Yes! For 3 points. Score 65-51 in favor of Leo. Wala basket count? Repere. Step! Wala, nangutan na lang. And 55 seconds remaining time. Shot block down to 20. Shot block down to 15. Shot block down to 10. Now good. Pass to Minard. 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Shot block. Oh, what a nice. Justin, nagmamadali. Nice! Wadi ay! Here we go again, number 10. 2 minutes and 19 seconds remaining time. Nag-ilog na. Oh. Shot clock down to 15. Yes, for 2 points. Score 51-67 in favor of Leon. What a steal again! What a steal! 2 minutes remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. For 3. Rugged down again. Justin. There's a whistle. Time out.
5-1-7. Labaw ang Luyo.
1 minute and 48 seconds remaining time. Ang score, 51-67. In favor of Leon. Bonus throw, yes. Score 52-67 in favor of 53. 53-67 in favor of, again, that's 2 points. 55-67 in favor of Leon. Here we go again. Oi! Oi! There's a whistle! Seconds remaining time. Number 10, Kevin! Yes! For 3. 58-67. Pass again to number 8. Number 8 looking for team to the pass the ball. Shot clock down to 20. There's a whistle! There's a whistle.
A sportsmanlike foul, number 30. Third personal foul, 2.
Okay. Imuha na ng korte. First throw. Oh, wala. Okay. Score 68-58 in favor of Leon. Oh, pwesto na yun. Kay gutom na. 1 minute and 24 seconds remaining time. Hoy, hapit. Shot clock down to 20. Shot clock down to 15. Steal again by Jordan. Jordan pass to Brian. Brian! Again, Merry Christmas ka, Brian. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining time. 60-68. Atong score favor Leo. Brian again. Wait, there's a whistle. There's a whistle. There's a whistle. Oras, 1 minute and 2 seconds. Oh, usara ka timeout both teams. Score 60-68 in favor of 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining time. First throw, bonus throw di ay. Number 10. 59 seconds remaining time. 55 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. 50 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 5. 3, 2, 1. 24. 24 seconds shot clock. 40 seconds remaining time. Score 60-68. Shot clock down to 20. 35 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 20. 30 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. 20 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock down to 5. Yes, for 2 points. 11 seconds remaining time. 11 seconds. 9. 5 seconds remaining time. Congratulations, Leo, for the third quarter game, for the third game